there seems to be some interest in my clamping situation, and especially this part where I can grab smaller pieces. So I'm gonna get more in detail, and I'm gonna open it up and you'll see exactly how it's made. It's very simple. Firstly, it needs to sit on something fixed, like I'm using this bench hook, and I showed it in other videos. It's acts as a simple bench hook, and the clamp goes through it to this kind of bench dogs. So let me get this out, because I use this only for smaller things, and I use this bench hook as a sort of a small workbench. So basically, it's quite simple. It has two of these Veritas bench puppies, or whatever they are called, and I use this because of metal, because sometimes I plane stock that is very thin, and I need the edge to be hard. This one I mostly never use. It's the same as a low bench dog. On the other side, I have this small. I don't even remember how it's called. It's Veritas Puppy something, and it's basically a clamp. So this one moves freely inside, and I'm gonna open it up and show you exactly how it's made. And it's made by some cheap wood. So this part here is fixed, and this part here, the clamping device, is fixed. So basically this is the whole thing. I have a stopped groove inside on which this middle part travels. I even have some shim here, so it's not that tight. I put this paper here so it's not that tight, so you can move it around. But this is it inside. That's the whole thing. Comes, and the clamp is screwed in place. So that's the whole thing. Or was it now? I don't know why I have different. So that's basically the whole thing. It's not very complicated. And you don't need a fancy thing. I think you can use some cheaper clamp here and some wooden dowels for the bench dogs. That's it.